Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make highlight text in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. Create a new layer. Type any text. Then click on the background layer. Again create a new layer, down text layer. Select shape like rectangle tool or rounded rectangle and highlight color. Change text color. Again double click shape, change shape color. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.